Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport fuel pump issues and provides a general overview of situations where fuel delivery may not function as intended. Fuel pump-related problems are discussed as conditions that can affect how fuel is supplied from the tank to the engine, which may influence engine starting, acceleration, or overall drivability. This explanation remains general because fuel system design, operating behavior, and performance can vary by model year, engine type, mileage, and maintenance history, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, fuel pump concerns are treated as part of the overall fuel delivery system rather than a single guaranteed failure point. In some cases, changes in engine response or starting behavior may indicate a condition within the fuel supply process that requires inspection. Older generations may experience different fuel system characteristics due to normal wear over time, while newer models could still show fuel delivery-related concerns depending on driving conditions, fuel quality, or prior servicing. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, potential fuel pump issues are usually evaluated through diagnostic testing rather than assumptions. Some situations may involve checking fuel pressure and related components, while other cases may require further investigation if a verified fault is identified. Maintenance practices and operating conditions can also influence how fuel delivery concerns present. In conclusion, fuel pump-related problems in the Ford EcoSport can differ depending on vehicle generation, condition, and usage. Understanding that these issues are not identical across all vehicles helps ensure appropriate evaluation without misinterpretation. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.